to start over.
Don't fear trying.
Believe.
Work hard. Stay educated.
Don't fear about making mistakes.
Don't feel shy to help.
Make your family proud. Respect yourself.
Stand out.
Being in character is actual heroism.
Inspire.
All of this is what is taught here at Delhi Public School, Budgam. What differentiates one school from another is that the students are taught to be happy and spread happiness without harming any individual or the society. A well-brought-up child is a blessing for a society, wherever he or she goes or settles in. Delhi Public School Budgam, a part of the DPS society, has emerged among the top names in the valley. The reason is simple: the care and the love the teachers share and spread with the students. The clean and supporting environment encourages and develops a sense of care for the surroundings, as the students here at Delhi Public School Budgam realize the importance and the benefits of a pollution-free environment. Delhi Public School Budgam is an ideal example of how a school should be. The opportunities and approach that have been provided by the school is a remarkable example of free space for creative development, nurturing the innate talents, and bringing out the best in the students. There is a boundary of safety and discipline within which a student is free to explore his or her capabilities and enhance them. The students are not pushed, but are given with so much inspiration and motivation that it triggers a phenomenon which brings about the urge in them to become the best they can be. An urge to become a good human being, a loyal child, and a faithful friend.
We have various debates and speaking chances. We have various conferences and workshops. We have various opportunities for us to demonstrate our talents, not only in academics but also in arts and sports. Moreover, we are also having various cultural programs and heritageal programs which help us to rediscover our lost heritage. We have various programs on Badshah, Lal Ded and various others.
Cramming is not taught, but learning is. Dominating is not taught, but inspiring is. The school has shunned the stereotypes that have been juxtaposed to education, and instead has diverted more attention and focus on the ethical, moral, and creative growth, which is exactly the education our children need.
I started writing because I came here, and it was a huge transition for me because I never thought I would write. But then I started writing poems, articles, and I started to have my journal. But that's what most students do, but doing it in a different way and seeing that you are getting changed and involving yourself in activities that you never thought you would do is a different thing. And involving with students, involving with teachers at a different level, and having that kind of a environment which makes you calm and not really terrible at yourself or something. But then it's very important as a student to get involved in this kind of environment which helps us to grow as a person.
The school has excelled rapidly. Starting off with just 158 students and 7 teachers in its first year, the school is now in a strong association with approximately 3,300 families, including the families of the teaching, non-teaching staff, and students.
The safety of our student is our number one priority. This is closely followed by a focus on well-rounded and high-quality education in an atmosphere which is warm, friendly, and respectful.
Special parent-teacher meetings are held in the campus regularly. The special thing about these meetings is that there are counseling sessions for parents, where the parents are requested to choose a very unique approach at home, which will benefit the child and the parent. The school has got its basics right from the nursery level, when the student is molded into shape so he or she is ready to perceive, understand, and deliver, thus enabling the school to stand out at a local as well as a national level.
For DPS Budgam, early childhood development is extremely important. That is the foundation and it must be strong. We focus on basic academics, language skills, and moral values. We try to inculcate and teach them the value of love, care, respect for one another, at school and at home. And these early efforts and strong foundation prepare them for bright future.
Every choice that we make in our life, it accounts for something. And I'm really glad that I chose this as my school because of all the wonderful people that I've got to meet along the way. I'm very thankful for all the constructive criticism that has helped me understand myself. It's helped me, inspired me to know more and be a better person while still being myself.
The students not only speak fluently, but have also marked their presence in extracurricular activities, which provide an equal opportunity for everyone to follow their favorite sport with zeal, enthusiasm, and passion.
The most interesting thing that I find out about my school is that we have a very professional and well-established music faculty, which has enabled us to pursue a course in Hindustani classical music in the classes 11th and 12th. Now, why this is great is because it's unique to our school. No other school in the valley will provide you a course like this at such a level. Now, this helps us to get a taste of professionalism in music.
Richard Duffer has said, "The fundamental purpose of school is learning and not teaching." And here at Delhi Public School Budgam, every day with the rising sun, a new lesson of life is learned by the students and the teachers as well. Every student has an opportunity to learn something new. Every child has the right to be loved every day, to be happy every day, to be wiser every day.